1, 2, 3.
Oh my God.
अरे नहीं, इजिप्ट में तो लोग बोलते हैं कि खाने के बाद अगर जितना बर्प करेगा आदमी वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट होता है इजिप्ट में। मैं एक बार इजिप्ट गया था, गर्ल स्लैप मी। आई टोल्ड हर कम बिहाइंड द पिरामिड, I'll make you a mummy.
Zarine auntie, my 6 packs have become one big bag
Oh my
of
God.
Zarine auntie's khana.
Really?
Look at that.
Your 6 packs? Those are your 6
It
packs
was
after
my
my
6
food?
packs.
That's what I'm saying. Those are your
It's a
6 packs.
sack of food now.
You're joking. You're sitting in a very bad way.
But
Anyway.
thank you for this totally yummy food. It
I'm
was
so
amazing.
Happy. So happy. But now there's one more thing you guys have got to answer, and that's the answering machine round.
Answering machine.
ये क्या चीज है?
I'm
Well,
confused.
answering Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan,
Zarine Khan.
Zarine Khan,
I like-
Sanjay
I
Khan.
can't think of a better name. I cannot. No more confusion. Let's go
अभी
for
खाना
it.
खा लिया है तो अभी खांसरिंग भी करनी पड़ेगी.
Everything goes for the Khans only. Khans think of everything special all the time and do everything special.
But this
Why was
I'm
I
going
not a
to
Khan?
answer you, ask you some questions, and you guys have got to give me the right answers. Okay? Now I will say a phrase in English, and you will have to repeat that same phrase in the most likely manner in Hindi. Shall we try out? Okay.
Yeah, let's-
Okay. Bending the finger to extract the ghee.
हाँ,
सीधी
सीधी
उंगली
उंगली
निकलती।
तो उंगली टेढ़ी करनी पड़ती है. That's the complete phase. सीधी उंगली से जब घी नहीं निकलता तो उंगली टेढ़ी करनी पड़ती है.
अच्छा, we can extend it also.
Yeah,
It is the full phase is that.
अच्छा, I'm a fan, that's why.
My mother-in-law makes this thing, yeah. I mean, it's this jeera.
नौशी टांग
Tulsi or basil.
ऐसा लग रहा है मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा है बड़ो।
Is it namak?
No.
Sugar.
No.
It's something you put in your dal and all that.
Black pepper.
Dabu's trying to get the answer right first.
It's some seedy type of thing.
Shall I give you a? Yeah, it is a CD.
Okay, it is a seed.
ये तो डंडा है.
अबे ग से गाजर लग
ये तो गाजर है, लेकिन ये डंडा जो मैंने उठाया क्या है?
एक्सक्यूज मी, मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला बड़ो। इसका दिमाग जरा गया हुआ है। What are you talking about? डंडा उठाया हुआ है। Where am I bloody डंडा?
मूली.
Is it carrot?
Smell, Dada, smell. Where are you?
Carrot है, मैं बोल दिया अभी खा
Where are
सकता
you,
हूँ।
Dada? Where are you? This reminds me of my dentist.
Yeah, it's clove and cardamom and dalchini and all that, no? Dentist.
I think it's clove or dalchini for sure. Something it is, yes, for sure. Are we right?
Well, it's only cloves, which was Pooja's first debut, and what was her role?
जो जीता वही सिकंदर.
Wrong.
No, sorry. Sorry. Her first film.
Can I post her up on your wall?
लुटेरे.
Lutera! No, it wasn't. I'll spoil it for you and tell you it's Vish Kanya. So now I've told you
Vish.
he didn't win it, and now I get the hammer.
What film did Zayed play himself in?
Om Shanti Om. Yeah.
Right.
Very close. Only that I was in that song in Om Shanti.
That's what we all were there.
We were playing ourselves.
Yeah. Because we came as Ritesh and Zayed.
Yeah.
Tell me, Javed, if you were to make a comic film for Kabir, what role would you conceive him in, and would you make him dance?
Comic film. Since we have a food show here. Okay, we'll make a film called Chole. And jailer का रोल जो है, जो असरानी साहब ने किया था, वो मैं कबीर साहब को दूंगा. You know that? हम अंग्रेजों के. So how would you say that line? हम अंग्रेजों के ज़माने के जेलर हैं. हम अंग्रेजों के ज़माने के जेलर हैं. This is the biggest comedy of the year. Fantastic. तो ये हो. और डांस भी हम वो जेल में है तो जेल हाउस रॉक कराएंगे उनसे. तो एल्विस और असरानी के बीच में एल असरानी.
There you go.
That's
My
nice.
dancing will be comedy enough.
तंदूरी चिकन के सर का ताज होता है. एक चुटकी मिर्ची.
अरे वाह.
Wow.
How
हर
true.
औरत का ख्वाब होता है एक चुटकी मिर्ची ताकि वो अपने हस्बैंड की आंख में डाले.
बिन नमक कमर लगी छमक.
द से दही वड़ा होता है, द से दम बिरयानी होती है, द से दूध पाक होता है, द से दर से दूधी होता है, दर से दूधी हलवा होता है, दर से दिल भी होता है, दर से दोस्त भी होता है, दर से दुआएं भी होती है। दुआएं आपकी दुआएं लगते रहे बस।
दादा भ से भोपला।
भ से भोपला होता है और च से क्या होता है मालूम है ना बड़ू बना गया वो च से चूरण खाने के बाद ये लगता है।
चाट भी होता है
च से चूरण भी होता है भाई लोग, अगर जिसको हजम नहीं होता खाना पड़ता है। By the way,
Where was chicken tikka masala?
Scotland.
Chicken tikka masala was in Scotland. You're kidding me? Yes. Really?
Come on.
Chicken tikka masala is in Scotland.
Scotland, yeah.
Colourful festival in Spain.
Tomatoes.
On the name of
Pompadours.
the name of a vegetable.
Tomatina.
Tomatoes.
Tomatina.
Tomatoes. I said tomatoes.
Pumpkin.
Come on. Kaddu, dudhi.
No, not kaddu. It is
Dudhi.
no. Pumpkin is.
See, Punjabi लोग क्या कहते हैं? मेरे
we call
husband
something else,
squash. My Punjabi
बना दे आज
husband squash.
तू गोल सा
दूधी.
नहीं दूधी she loves to eat that
Saffron.
केसर आपके कश्मीर
No,
का.
I see. It's
She's too
no.
fast. Okay, let her win.
On a horse gram plant.
घोड़े ग्राम के पौधे पर फहराना।
चने की दाल पे चढ़ाना। चने
Where's the horse?
घोड़े के ग्राम के पौधे पर चने के झाड़ पे चढ़ाना नहीं।
किसी को
वेट किसी को चने के झाड़
घोड़े को चने के झाड़ पे चढ़ाना। देखो, listen, I said that चने की झाड़ पे चढ़ाना। घोड़े
Again, I have to give you 2 all in this.
Okay.
Okay.
I think Ashish, you actually
as long
try to see.
as long as we can meet again to share the hamper.
Yes.
How many types of gourds, that is the Karela, do we have in India, and what can you name at least 3?
करेला।
Okay, yeah. There's bitter gourd. There
clearly
is
I'm going to lose this.
there's bitter gourd, yellow gourd. I don't know the other 2, but I know that there's bitter gourd.
There are actually 3.
Yeah.
One is bitter gourd.
Yeah.
The other is ridge gourd, and the third is snake gourd, which is parval. Nutmeg for you.
जायफल.
हाँ वही है. अरे ये कुछ पढ़ के आई है. ये this is rigged. आप सोचो ये आगा खानी मुझे ऐसे मार सकती है धन.
What 6 flavors constitute a typical Indian meal?
Bitter, sour, sweet, spicy,
salty,
pungent,
salty.
No, that's
No?
Say it again.
sour.
Bitter.
Bitter, sour, sweet, spicy, pungent,
Salty. Sour, salty?
sour, salty.
No.
Sour is
Salty and sour are different, no?
sour would be khatta.
Khatta.
So salty would be salty.
Namkeen.
Namkeen. Okay.
Salty is namkeen.
Now, what do I do when they both give equally? They are helping each other and even giving the
No,
answers
but
together.
come on, who gave the first 5?
Yeah.
And what? Astringent.
Estrogen में कुछ
No,
नहीं है.
नहीं है ऐसा था.
वो शायद तू ग्लासगो में कोई गली में घुस गया होगा वो
ऐसा मैंने-
estrogen भी बोले वहाँ पे.
Estrogen.
Give me the answer. It's sweet, salty, bitter and spicy, and sour,
Sour. What's the 6th one?
astringent.
Estrogen, you were right.
Yeah.
लगता है तेरे expeditions बहुत कुछ सिखा रहे तुम्हें.
बहुत कुछ सिखा रहे.
What about cool as a cucumber?
खाओ ककड़ी और खाओ पीछे से लकड़ी.
सांस भी लेना सजा लगता है.
अच्छा.
सांस भी लेना सजा
सजा
लगता
लगता
है. अब और खाना बड़ा मुश्किल लगता है.
अरे वाह, इससे मुझे एक चीज याद आ गई. मैं अपने अंदाज में कहूंगा. Said my nani, never stop eating biryani. This will be the raz of your jawani.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
सब अंडे
अंडा नहीं. What is the अंडा? What is the अंडा? अंडा हो जाएगा ठंडा.
टोकरी में सब अंडे डाल
टोकरी नो टोकरी.